I want to build a dune buggy. I've got tons of 1.5 chromoly tubing on hand, but when I look at the profiles within X-Frame, the smallest round tube I can find has an outside diameter of 1.66 inches. By creating a custom section, I can specify any size I want and assign a material to it. I'll exit this command and launch the Structure Section Manager. Each custom section has a few different categories. At the top level is the standard. I'll call this Dune Buggy, since I plan to store all my profiles related to the Dune Buggy here. The next level is the profile name. I like to make this descriptive of the shape, so I'll call it Round Chromoly Tube. I have lots of options for the profile type. This one will be pipe, and the destination will be the custom sections collaborative space I just created. When I expand the profile details, I can see that the profile is defined by its OD and ID. I'm able to apply a material to this profile, so it will automatically be applied to designs that use it. The list here isn't quite as exhaustive as what's found in the material browser, though. I don't see chromoly here, but plain carbon steel will give me an accurate enough mass. I'll use that. Now I just need to add a size. I'll name the size using its outside diameter and wall thickness. Of course, the tool asks for the inside diameter rather than the wall thickness, so I'll need to do a little math. 0.095 times 2 is 0.19, and when I take that away from 1.5, I get an inside diameter of 1.31. While I'm at it, I can add a second size of this same profile by hitting the Add Size button. I'll call this next size 1.25 by 0.12 and give it an outside diameter of 1.25 and an inside diameter of 1.01. I'll hit the check mark to complete the command. Now let's see if I can use the new profiles I just created. When I launch the Path Segment Member command, I can switch the profile source to Custom. I currently only have one standard in type, but I can choose between the two sizes I just created. I'll use the larger tube and check the box to transfer the material from the profile. I've already sketched a layout to test my profile, so I'll pick that from the Design Manager and hit the check mark to complete the command. If I go back to edit the structure system, I can swap out the profile for the smaller one I created. And when I expand the materials portion of the Design Manager, I can see that the members are all made of plain carbon steel. It's not quite a dune buggy yet, but at least I have the profiles I need.